In this lesson, we are going to learn how to find the area of a triangle using this formula of AB sine C. First, we call the formula SAS because it can only be used to find the area of a triangle if we know two sides of that triangle and then one angle. So in this case, the first S here stands for the first side we are given, like in this case, A, the side here, and then this A stands for the angle we are given, like in this case, this C, and then this other S stands for the other side we are given, which in this case will be B. So, earning the name, the SAS formula. So that's the first thing we need to note. It can only be used if we know two sides of the triangle and then an included angle. Then the second thing is that the angle we are going to use must be in between the lines we are given. Like in this case, we are given A and B. Then the angle we are going to use must be in between these lines, which would be this angle here. If we were given this angle here, this line, then of course we would use, if we are given this line here, this one, then we would use this angle here. And if we were given this line, this one here, then we would use this angle here. So with that knowledge, we can be able to find the area of this triangle using the SAS formula, this one here. So let's say if we are given A 7 centimeters, then B is 5 centimeters, then the angle we are going to use, we are given as 16 degrees, then it will mean, of course, area would be of AB sine C, where A is this side here, which is 7 centimeters, then B is the side here, which is 5 centimeters, and then the sine of C is the sine of this angle, which would be sine of 16 degrees. Then from there, of course, we just need to replace the values in the formula, which becomes area is equals to half this half multiplied by A, but we know A is 7 centimeters, so it is multiplied by 7, then again multiplied by B, but we know B is 5 centimeters, so multiplied by 5 centimeters, then again multiplied by sine of the angle we are given, which is sine C, and we know C is 60 degrees. But if we go direct to the calculator and we find the sine of 60, let's see what it will be. So if we have 60 and then we find the sine of 60 to be 0.866 if we round off to 3 decimal places. So we know now the sine of 60 is 0.866. So from there, it means then since we have the sine as 0.866, then the area becomes half multiplied by 7, which is multiplied by 5, which is B, multiplied by 0.866, which is the sine of 60. Then from there, we can just directly use the calculator to find this value here. So half is just the same as 0.5. So that one has no problem. We can just say 0.5. Then we multiply it by 7. Then again, we multiply by 5, which is from B. And then again, we multiply by 0.866. Now it becomes 15.1. It means the area of that triangle will be 15.155 centimeters squared. So that's how we use the SAS formula to find the area of a given triangle. And just to remind you, this formula is used if we only know two sides of the triangle and an included angle. Like in this case, we know A and B, then the included angle is of course C, 16 degrees. Then also it is used, the angle we are going to use must be in between the lines we are given. Like in this case, we are given A and B, so we must use this angle here. If we were given B at this line here, we should use this angle here. And if we are given this line here, then we should use this angle here. So that's it for this lesson. Let us meet in the next lesson where we're going to explore a different concept in mathematics. Bye for now.